My name's Paddy and I run Smart Air here in Beijing. We're a social enterprise that exists to protect people from air pollution. Our mission at Smart Air is to create cost-effective air purifiers to help more people breathe clean air and to offer education and research on how people can protect themselves from air pollution. Basically we found these, so we would take this, we would, and then remove this, and we would take this and we would cut this out, and then we take our filter this side towards the fan, and take our strap, and then you have the DIY purifier. So at the very start we were actually making these ourselves in Gus, one of our founders' homes. This stuff, this HEPA filter material, was invented 70 years ago by the US government when they were building nuclear bombs. They wanted a way to stop the radiation, the particles from reaching the people. They thought, let's make a filter that lets air through but doesn't let the radioactive particles through. And they invented HEPA filters. So it's not new, it's not high-tech, and it's more importantly, there isn't a company that owns the patent. It's the US government made it, it's free, anyone can use it. So this stuff is incredibly simple. We've got a particle counter here showing the pollution right now. So this is the really small harmful PM2.5, and this is slightly larger. So in every one breath, we're breathing about 8,000 pollution particles right now. But if we throw this and put it straight in front of the filter which we've turned on, we'll see the numbers pretty much immediately drop down to, we get it to 0. Which means the air coming out of here is clean. So if you want to find out more about how to make your own DIY filter or protect yourself from the harms of air pollution, head over to our website at smartairfilters.com.